I shake the bottle before I pour every time. I am shaking with cold right now. I have just shaken hands with the CEO. I have been shaking off this jet lag for days. I shook the dice and rolled a 6 yesterday. I was shaking the ketchup bottle when the lid flew off. I had shaken the sand out of my shoes before I got in the car. I had been shaking with nerves for an hour before the interview. I will shake the tree to get the apples down tomorrow. I will be shaking cocktails behind the bar all evening. I will have shaken off this cold by Monday. By closing time, I will have been shaking drinks for 8 hours.